Hello from inside Magic Kingdom.
Guess what day it is? It's Aladdin premiere day.
Which is why we're buying all the Aladdin stuff. See, there's the carpets. And there's Raja. And then we were trying to meet Aladdin and Jasmine over there.
Yes.
But I didn't hear what she said. What did you say?
They were going to do a break and they're coming back at 11:20, but we have the plaza at 11. So
Yeah.
we'll have to come back after lunch maybe. But our movie is at 6 at Disney Springs. Theater One.
That'll be the bulk of this video.
Yeah.
I mean,
We just
we'll do
wanted
the
to show you like Aladdin stuff at Magic Kingdom a little bit.
Yeah.
But we're going to mostly be at Disney Springs.
Yeah. So that'll be most of the video. But
Yes.
yeah.
We're very excited. The soundtrack came out yesterday. Blew my mind.
It is really good.
Yes.
It is really good. So we'll take a look around a little bit before lunch.
Yes.
And then we'll come back after lunch.
Yes.
So, all right, we're into elephant tails.
Yes.
That's what it's called, I guess. I didn't know if it had a name.
This is her new dress for the movie.
Mm-hmm.
$100.
Is that really how much it is?
$9.99 now.
Yep, it's true.
I should have worn this jacket today, guys.
Oh, you should have. You could totally rock that. Look,
I could.
Look, she's on the inside.
Oh, she's on the back.
Oh, this.
That's
Well,
heavy.
on the inside
This is
of the
really
back.
heavy.
Oh, it is heavy.
Yeah. This is cute.
Well, how much is that one?
Oh, this one?
$69.99.
$69.99. This shirt is
That one's-
$35. This is cute.
That is cute.
I know, but I was like Disney bounding today. I was trying to Disney bound for Jasmine. I tried my best.
They look good.
I know it's not spot on.
Look at these little carpet keychains.
Those are cute.
Little pin.
Babe, you could get the genie shirt.
Genie shirt. Does it look like Will Smith? Oh yeah. It does look like Will Smith. Oh, here are the little pop figures. There's Jasmine.
Oh, Raja's tail is shedding on me.
Oh boy.
Here's all of them for the new movie. Actually, this is wrong because I think they have one in her pink outfit for this new movie.
I'm not sure. But there's Aladdin and Abu and the genie and Jafar.
Yes.
He always looks so grumpy. And then there's another shirt. I'm not as crazy about that one. Not that I'm really crazy about this one, but if I had to choose. And there's a mug.
I like this black shirt. It's cute.
You have to sing it.
Oh, I'll sing it tonight. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Oh, I'm not worried.
Whoever sits next to me at the movie is going to be annoyed.
But we're in the very front, so.
Yeah,
it's
we
okay.
didn't get tickets right away, so we're front row to the right. But
Oh, there are your ears. And there's.
and there they are.
Oh, there they are. Well, there's Jasmine. I'm trying not to be creepy.
Yeah.
Aladdin's over
Oh,
there.
there's a kid's jacket.
There's Aladdin.
There's a kid's version of that jacket.
Oh, yeah.
I need a daughter. We'd be so cute.
I missed a couple things over there, but it's just like t-shirts and stuff. But, yeah, there's a little version. Is she on the inside of this one, too? You can get it. Oh,
Yeah.
Very nice.
I feel like this one's cuter because it has the pattern on it.
Oh, is the other one just
The other one's plain. And this one's
T-shirt.
half the price.
Well, it's half the size.
I could probably fit in it into a kid's large, extra large.
Probably. They have large, that's the biggest it goes. They're running low. And here's a lamp.
Look at him. Look at them cheekbones.
He is a very pretty man. Oh, it's like,
It's a limited edition.
is it? Is it like a legit like
Limited
metal
edition.
lamp?
Yeah, it's heavy. This
Is
box
it?
is heavy. How much is it?
I don't know. What?
How much do you think this is?
120.
150.
Are you serious?
Dead serious.
Good lord. It should be. So does that genie actually come out of it for that much? See, that'd be cool, like in your house.
In our live collection corner,
Yeah.
we should put the lamp there.
Not for $150. I would rather have this set, this plastic tea set. It's probably like a quarter price. But it's 9 pieces.
$24.
See, that's more like it. Alright. So we head, oh yeah. So we head to the other side here. And there's, yeah, there's more Rajas. So hopefully they don't think that we're stealing this one.
Tag is off. I bought him 8.
There's also a bucket up there. But there's little Abus hanging upside down. I don't know why his eyes are so huge. Are his eyes always that big? In the cartoon?
In the normal movie, in the regular cartoon.
The cartoon?
Yes. We don't like the Abu in the live action.
Oh, you're really dark.
Face looks weird.
Bad lighting. It's getting better. It's getting better. There you go. It's slightly better. Well, he kind of looks like an old man in the new one.
Yeah, he looks like a human.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Nope. Next time.
I know. I can't wait for the Lion King. I mean, I'm excited for Aladdin too, but the Lion King's my all-time favorite, so I'm mostly excited. Here's a Jasmine. How much is Jasmine? Do we not know? I'm gonna guess like, I don't know, how much those normally are.
$25.99. These are so cute.
Oh, look at those chubby cheeks. Look at little Raja. Oh, he's sparkly.
Raja's head bobbles. If I was a child, I'd have. They have sets like these for all the princesses. I definitely have all of them.
They're pretty cute.
Yeah. Oh, he's got a little bowl. Raja. There's no price on this.
Oh. Well, it's yeah. And there's a stuffed Jasmine, but she's kind of scary.
I don't like the stuffed princesses.
I don't either. They don't really look like them that much. But the camel is back. They took it away for a little while, but it's back and it's leaking apparently.
Can your camera see it?
Well, I'll get closer. I don't know, but it's leaking out of its neck. If you can't see it, I'm trying not to get in the way of these people. But yeah, it's like leaking out of his neck. And I haven't seen him spit in a while, but that's alright.
Can you take my picture? Yay, it's time to ride the carpets. Woo! Are you going to be Aladdin and fly the carpet?
Number 3. What?
You have to fly the carpet.
I have to fly the carpet? Why?
We're going to get that ugly red one. We could have got this awesome blue one.
I do like the blue one. I was hoping we did.
I know. Sorry.
Oh, well. Sorry.
Riders in the front row should push up or pull down on the lever. And to make the carpet tip forward or back,
Tip forward
riders in
or
the back
back?
row should press that magic scarab. And with
Hopefully
a
it
little help
works.
from the magic lamp,
Sometimes they're not very responsive.
Sometimes they're not.
Ooh! Oh, it just gets going. Alright. Up, up, up. Oh, this one's a good one.
On the tree circles. In the sky bubbles. Jacob,
That
don't.
was perfect.
No. He's spitting!
It's like one fish, two fish.
Right, so unfortunately we're not going to be able to meet them. The line is still very long.
Yeah, it's really
You can see it. And I think they cut off again, so I think they're doing another break.
And it's like all in the sun. And I don't want to stand in that.
Yes.
It's really hot, so.
So, next time you'll see us, we'll be at Disney Springs.
Yep.
It's windy.
It is a windy one. But we're at Disney Springs now.
We are. Oh my god, you can't even my ears are gonna fall off.
I know, it's freezing.
So they did do this. It was like MAC Cosmetics did an Aladdin thing here, and they had Agrabah and like a carpet you can sit on everything. And I thought they would keep it up for the movie. No. All we have is this.
Yeah, they got that. I mean, they have like posters.
They have
and
some
stuff,
signs and
but
stuff. Yeah.
Nothing crazy.
Yeah, but we'll take a walk around before the movie and see merch. I only really know about the Pandora stuff.
Yeah, I don't.
And like the stuff we've already showed you at Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, I don't know how much more they have, but we can take a look.
Yeah, we'll take a look. So this is the photo op here. I feel like they could have done more.
Well, you can grab the lamp.
Yeah, but like with Dumbo, it was like all of Dumbo. So I feel like it's just the lamp is kind of eh.
Well, they should have had like a lamp that you can grab.
Yeah,
It looks like you're
agreed.
or something.
Yeah, there's a poster up there, which is cool. But I would say we should go and see Pandora first,
Yeah.
and we can come back.
We can do that.
Alrighty, into Pandora. I thought they'd have a sign out. Like they had a sign out for Dumbo when Dumbo came out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had a sign, but now they didn't. Okay, here are the charms. This is her castle.
It's a palace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the lamp. So we did go into Uniqlo, and they, for like Aladdin and Jasmine things, they just had 2 Jasmine shirts. But otherwise, it's pretty dead for merch. I feel like it kind of doesn't exist.
Yeah, they kind of slacked on this one. I don't know if they had like low expectations for it, or I mean, they promoted it a lot as far as like ads and commercials and stuff.
Yeah, but they just didn't do a lot of merch.
I don't know why.
But that's the same with Frozen. Before Frozen came out, there was like no merch for it, but then after there was merch for it.
Well, maybe then after a lot more.
Yeah. I would like to add right here, they had a huge red carpet and a huge, like, you were walking the red carpet of the premiere for Endgame, and all Aladdin has is this little sign right here. Oh yeah, 2 of them, but that's it. They had like a whole how you walk in like a premiere, how they had all the signs and everything.
Yeah.
And then they had like a photo pass person and everything.
They still have that big. Oh, they have one on each side.
Yeah, but they don't have anything about Aladdin really. All right, guys, you have to remember you have to put your own butter on your popcorn.
We learned that the hard way.
Yes. What size are you gonna get?
I don't think we need a huge bucket, do we?
No, but look, it's only $1 difference.
Okay, so do you want a huge one?
Why not?
Alright, I'm gonna give that one.
I can take it home with me. Eat leftover popcorn.
Sure, you like leftover popcorn.
I do.
It's all like dried and like chewy. Yum.
Yes, people like that.
Yum.
Yum, 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 yum. What candy should I get, guys?
King candy.
King candy. They don't really have many selections for candy. Like, where are the Mike and Ike and everything? Huh? No, Mike and Ike's.
They have Sour Patch. Get Sour Patch.
I don't like Sour Patch Kids.
What?
I don't.
Get Sour Skittles. Or regular Skittles.
I'll get Sour Skittles. I put the butter on the popcorn, guys.
It should be better.
It's glimmering, yes. We're in theater 1, we can't go in yet.
Raspberry Coke.
But I was gonna say we got 2 regular soda Skittles and a large popcorn for $27. Not terrible.
Not terrible.
A lot of people have my ears on. But I mean, like, there's not much. Like, there wasn't much, so you kind of had to get the ears and just wear an outfit.
Yeah.
So, yeah. We should be able to sit down soon.
Hopefully Lion King.
They should have plenty. But I mean, we already have our Roar shirts.
True.
Or are you saying more like here?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Hopefully. They have this, but they don't have it like down in the main thing, so we had like walk past our theater.
That's way down.
Yeah. It's good. Look at Raja. We got our seats. Oh, dark.
Ooh, come on. We need
Come on, we need the good.
Oh, there.
Whoa!
There we go. We need bright trailers. Or right.
Yeah, so just in case you want to see how close we are. We're second row.
Row B.
Yes. But I would rather have this than what we had for Dumbo, because Dumbo, when you're in the back, you can't recline.
We were up there.
Yeah, we were
Up
there.
Up.
Right there. Yeah. Yeah, so it's not terrible. I mean, obviously for Lion King, I need to pay more attention. I like totally just like missed when the tickets went on sale, and I got them like 2 days late, and it was too late by then.
Yeah.
But oh well.
This is fine. I mean, I forgot how huge these theaters are.
For sure.
Because we're used to the ones at home, back home, that are like, the screen's like half the size.
Not even half, they're like a fourth.
Not even, yeah, they're, yeah.
Oh, we're dark again.
These are massive, so.
Oh,
that
my
was
hair
really
looks
good.
really bad.
Okay, you'll find it. No, that was really good.
Yeah.
I was impressed. I was really impressed.
There was like moments when I just was like I just couldn't say anything.
Yeah, there was, yeah. I don't even know what to say now.
No, it's just like mind
It
blowing.
was really cool. I mean, the choreography and the music were really good. I think Will Smith was definitely the best part of that. I know you like Peanuts.
He's fine.
Good looking. He's pretty man.
Yeah, it was very good.
You know, I mean, I know people were ripping on Will Smith doing that part and stuff, but I thought he was really good.
He was very good.
I don't think they could have picked anybody much better than that.
No, it was very good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think it was better than Dumbo.
I still love Dumbo.
I love Dumbo too, but that was
very good. Yes.
makes me actually excited for the line.
Yeah. They just keep getting better and better.
They do.
Alrighty.
It was good stuff.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Peace out.